everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while, but today I'm super excited to show you my newest creation, the Block of Villager. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. It's got a lot of really nifty features. First and foremost, you'll notice he has these two tiny feet, which is accurate to the original Villager model. And most importantly, he's actually physically incapable of feeling any pain. Now, if these two features weren't cool enough on their own, the third feature is probably the most interesting one, which is the fact that I created this Block of Villager without using any data packs, any resource packs, and without any mods. So if I hit the F3 button on my keyboard, you can see in the top left, I'm playing in 1.21 vanilla. And if I open up my resource pack folder, you can see I have no resource packs installed. So how was I able to get a block that has a custom texture in the game without any resource packs or data packs or mods or anything? Well, the answer is easy. It's actually simply decapitation. Now, of course, I know that's a pretty ridiculous claim to make, but what I mean by that is that my Block of Villager is composed out of 8 player heads. So the way this works is actually pretty simple. Since we can put any texture we want onto our player skin and then get a head of that player, all we need to do is change our skin 8 times to create the 8 different pieces of this block, and then using item displays, we can squish them all together to create a single block in a single block space. And then if we use barrier blocks like I have right here, we can put a barrier on top of the item displays, which normally you can't step on, and then we can fully step on top of this custom block. But making those 8 textures isn't very easy to do yourself. So what if I told you there was a better way? And that better way is this simple little website I made that you can find linked in the description that can take a texture and then convert it into 4 Minecraft skins and then automatically create a command that you can copy and paste into your world to have a custom block. Easy peasy. So first what we're going to do is click choose file and then select on our computer the image file for the block. We'll use this block of magic texture I made as an example. Then we have to enter a Mineskin API key, which if you just go to mineskin.org and then scroll down, you can see this little set API key button and then type something in here, like I'll type example API key. Then go back to my website, type that in here, example API key, and then we're just gonna hit convert. And you can see here it says loading, and then it creates a command right here. So we can just click on this command and it'll copy it to your clipboard, and then go back to the game and get a command block, and then we'll place it down. We will paste in our command, and then once we power this with a redstone block, let's power it, boop. Oop, glitchiness, delete the command block, delete the redstone block, and now we have a custom block sitting in game. Let's place the barrier block on it so we can interact with it. There you go, easy as that. And here's a little life hack if you want to place down multiple of these blocks. We're going to open up the command block, paste it in, and then click this needs redstone button so it says always active. That's going to place it, and then if we hold control and then hit the middle click button on our mouse, then we can place as many of these down as we want, and then just break the command blocks, and they're all there. And then we can put the barrier blocks on them so we can jump on top of them. Easy as that. Look at that. Now, I do think it's important to mention that although this website makes it really easy for you to make your own custom blocks, you should be careful when building with them because blocks made out of player heads are a little laggier than regular blocks. They're not as performant as a regular block is since they're not built into the game. So if you build an entire house out of blocks of Villager, you might have some frame drops. But I do have a pretty good PC, so let's see what a block of Villager house actually looks like. So by using these two commands and repeating command blocks, I've made it actually super easy to place and break these custom blocks. You see now it just puts the barrier in there automatically, and then when I break the barrier, it just deletes all of the item displays. So now it's much easier to go ahead and build a house out of my custom block. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And there we have it. We have a fully custom house made out of fully custom blocks in vanilla Minecraft, just like that. Here, let's step inside. You can see I've used the block template texture for the flooring. I think it gives it kind of a disco vibe. And the back wall is great because it's just this giant wall of judgment for the crimes you've committed. It's pretty cool. So I hope this gives you a good idea of just how cool and powerful using item displays with player heads on them can be for creating custom blocks. Again, the link is down in the description below if you'd like to use this tool for yourself. With all that being said, I will see you in the next one.